Hi, and welcome to another video. I just moved my head so that you can't see that really bright light behind me. There we go. I have my glue stick today, and I'm just gluing down my eyebrows. This is a trick that drag queens use to draw in new eyebrows, and I am doing this because I'm gonna do my whole face with a bunch of glitter, because I thought, why not? That sounds hilarious and fun, and I have a little bit of time before work, so why not destroy my face? So all you do to make your eyebrows disappear is use an actual like Elmer's glue stick and just paint your brows up like so. And that just makes them really flat. See like how flat it is now instead of, yeah. So I'm gonna let this dry for a second, be right back. Okay, so now that I have let the glue dry, I did 2 more layers, let it dry, did another layer, let it dry, did another layer. I'm taking a wet sponge and some loose setting powder and going over the top of the brow, like so. I mean, we're just like really going in with the powder, like really going in. So, nice and powdered, great. And I'll just hold the rest of that powder down on my face. I've always wanted to try this brow trick. So this is actually my first time doing it. So I watched some videos on how to do it before I did it because I want to make sure that I was doing it right. I'm not a drag queen, of course, but I was curious. And now I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, so once the powder is nice and dried down, you're gonna take a concealer and go over the top. I'm using my Born This Way concealer because I decided I don't really like this formula that much. It's just a little too thick, but that's perfect for what I'm doing today. I don't know why this side looks so much better than this side. You can like way more see the hairs on this side for some reason, but that's okay. I mean, I'm covering my whole face in glitter anyway, so it doesn't really need to be perfect. Plus, this is my first time doing this. And then I'm taking that same sponge and we'll just tap it in. I mean, it's not great. You can definitely still see my brows. This brow turned out much better. Who knows? It doesn't really matter because the point of the video isn't the brows. I just kind of wanted to try it. So now you've seen me try, and it's a good try, but it's definitely a fail. Luckily, this is about glitter. So now I'm taking that same sponge and my Cover FX Glow Drops, and I'm just gonna start covering my whole face. Oh my gosh, yes, how fun! Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm really not doing this for any reason other than I just was really curious to see what my face would look like covered in glitter. And so far, I am not disappointed. Just really going in. Oh my gosh, yes.
So golden and pretty.
Now that this is on, it is time to go in with some loose glitter. So I have some loose glitter from e.l.f. I'm just gonna start kind of tapping that on my face. Ooh, yes. Let's just go for it. Oh yeah, oh that's so fun. So the reason that I'm kind of wasting, if you will, this e.l.f. glitter is because I have other loose glitters that work much better than this one. And so I figured, why not just, you know, get rid of this in a really fun way instead of just throwing it down the drain. Let's just throw it all over the face. Ooh, this is really fun. Glitter brows, get that bridge of the nose. I mean, I'm living for this. This is fun. This is the type of stuff that I would have loved to do as a child, but like my mom would never have let me, you know. With good reason. I am a little bit making a mess. There's my skirt covered in glitter. And of course, can't forget the eyelid. I mean, this is eye glitter after all. I'm using makeup glitter, so if you're worried about my safety, don't be. This is glitter made to go on the face. Bring it all together. I'm gonna fully saturate the lips.
Be careful not to inhale.
I feel like I should have a professional photographer on deck to take some cool pictures, but I don't, and this is just for myself to do at home, and then to shower right off immediately. All that excess sprinkle down. Ooh, and then look, my whole self is nice and shimmery now. Yes, let's go outside and see what it looks like. And there you have it, my entire face covered in gold glitter. I think this is great. It only took me like 5 minutes tops to do this. It's a super chill look. Definitely will get you a lot of attention if you want to wear it to the club or even to work or maybe just for a casual movie night with some girlfriends. To top it off, let's throw the shades on. Yes. Thank you for watching.